All right, hello. The daily update on my 1000 day challenge. This is day 459. Oh, it's 460. So yeah, let's get things started. Right, so first and foremost, you'll see a small improvement in terms of experimental setup, but very much we're still in the negative territory and close to $1,000 loss after going through for 460 days itself. So I went through the checking in terms of background as well. So for the strategy that has been working in that sense, still remain relatively flat. So I'm not counting out the strategies out just yet. So the losses are actually based on the strategy that I've already faced out in that sense. All right, otherwise, main trading account setup, no change in terms of balance. Setup still remains the same. All right, let me just remove this. All right, so in any other case, so yeah, so in terms of US market-wise, we're definitely all-time high region, though that we're not exactly all-time high right now. But to me, when we are new territory of all-time high, that region itself I consider it as a all-time high region, which to me is a very dangerous place to just dollar cost average. Not to say that we cannot continue towards the upside, but if I were to dollar cost average on a monthly, on a regular basis, I'll actually cut down by at least 50% of it to be a little bit more cautious, or wait for smaller pullbacks to at least a 20-day exponential moving average. It could perhaps be at a higher price later stage, but of course, we could also see a stronger pullback in time to come. So yeah, that's my personal strategy. Not wrong to dollar cost average according to your plan as well. All right, in terms of ASH, we definitely are finding ourselves at the lower bound of the support region. Not necessarily a good thing, but as long as it doesn't break below the horizontal support, I'm still leaning towards a potential consolidation period itself before it break decisively towards the upside or the downside itself. So for KWEB itself, we are also consolidating nicely in the symmetrical triangle formation on the daily chart. Nothing too much to be of concern about. So let's see how things goes. Then finally for Bitcoin itself, I do see a potential setup. I did mention yesterday. Over here, I wouldn't enter on the first breakout simply because there was only one rejection, two rejection. This is perhaps the third one I consider it. So I wanted to break on the fourth try. So right now I put this buy stop on the right above this swing high, which is 64.3K region itself. So if it does break above that, what you do is you enter a buy stop order, and then this could perhaps be the stop loss itself. So depending on whether support is established over here, if support is not established over here and breakthrough and not even finding support at the 150 simple day, 150 simple moving average on the 4-hourly chart, then I would not consider enter this breakout trade itself. So this region definitely have to be supported, otherwise this whole trade setup is invalidated. So yep, with that said, I've come to the end of today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, bye-bye.